hey, we're here to fix a problem. Listen to that. That beeping is no good. So this guy right here, our OpenGear, we got a problem right here. We have a PS1 power failure. So let's open this up first. There we go. All right, PS1 is on this side over here. We can see that. It says PS1 right there. So we know that's PS1. It's yelling at me now because it's not like being open with a failed power supply. So we can hot swap this. But first we gotta go around to the back side and make sure we locate it. So it's the middle one here. This is the failed power supply. So we're gonna undo the little safety clip here for our OSHA cable and just unplug that. It comes out pretty easy. Then we're gonna go back around to here, and should be able to, you can actually see there's a blinking light on that power supply, right? So I'm gonna pull this right out. That comes right out. There we are. Got a new power supply right here. This is not a Ross one. Is this in frame? Yeah, it's in frame. Good. Ow. I just think I cut my finger there. This is actually from AJA, not from Ross. Right. Oh, actually, it still says Ross on it, though. Although on the website, it definitely said AJA when I bought it from B&H. So we're going to slide this back in here. Start it, make sure I'm putting it in an off position to start with. Slide this back in. Make sure you push it in there. So there you go. So right there, we'll just slid that in. We'll push, make sure it's secure. Blinking light's going because it's not plugged in over here. Let's walk around over here. Let's plug our OSHA cable back in. Come here, plug in back on our OSHA cable. Okay. Put your little safety loops back on it. Come back around. Just flick on that. We're gonna go ahead and hit the little power button. You got a green light. Let's go ahead and, oh, the beeping stopped. Plug this back in. And there we go. We fixed our power supply issue. That was like less than 5 minutes to fix that. So now our OpenGear, even though it's all dusty in front still, we should probably clean that off another time. But it's good to go, and that power supply is going to last probably longer than we're going to have this OpenGear installed.